Ming Dynasty Huanghuali furniture is revered as one of the most coveted treasures in classical Chinese art. It's the perfect blend of elegance, craftsmanship, and timeless beauty. These pieces transcend mere furniture. They're true works of art. Perhaps the most important consideration for connoisseurs of classical Chinese furniture is material, and none is more exalted than Huanghuali. This precious hardwood is prized for its beautiful, warm golden color and the figured grain that evokes landscapes and ghost faces. In the Ming Dynasty, Huanghuali furniture became a status symbol, mainly reserved for the imperial court or the very wealthiest among the literati class. Huanghuali was sourced from the tropical regions of Hainan Island, and it took centuries to mature, so it's both very rare and highly valuable. What's truly remarkable about Huanghuali is its ability to develop a deeper patina over time, so each piece is almost a living work of art. Ming furniture is famous for its simplicity and elegance. Unlike the heavily ornamented furniture that we see in earlier and later periods, Ming artisans favored the minimalist aesthetic. We see the beauty emerging from its clean lines, the balanced proportions, the graceful curves, in the subtle splay of the legs of a painting table, which are balanced by the upturned everted ends. These works exemplify that principle of form meets function. Ming furniture had a significant influence on later European designers, in particular the Midcentury Modern movement and designers such as Hans Wegner and Arne Jacobsen. Beyond the material and design, what I think truly sets Ming furniture apart is its craftsmanship. These pieces are made without any nails or screws, and instead they rely on this sophisticated system of mortise and tenon joinery. This method allows the wood to expand and contract naturally, enhancing the life of the furniture, meaning that these pieces can last for centuries in good condition. Cabinet makers work their entire lives to amass the knowledge and technical skill to pull these super intricate joints off. And it's perhaps only today that we truly appreciate what artists these humble woodworkers were. In appreciating Huanghuali furniture, we see not just timber and joinery, but a philosophy, one that values harmony, balance, and the beauty of simplicity.